Follow me is a Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be on a second page right over here. Now this is the default orientation of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Anyway, once you locate it, the first time around I recommend you holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how this toggle actually works. So right here we have a list of all the settings that you can access. So we have just a toggle to turn it on and off, for how long, which will define what happens when you tap on the toggle. We have a schedule. Now when it comes down to schedule, if you're planning to use that instead of like the manual toggle on and off, just make sure that it is toggled on right here. You don't need to turn on the toggle itself here, just make sure that this is enabled, and the schedule mode will turn it on and off automatically. Now going down, we have things like calls, messages and conversations, so you can select who can call you, message you, and obviously have a conversation. Then we have options for alarms and sounds and apps. Again, you can exclude certain apps and all these listed here from being affected by the Do Not Disturb mode. Now once you went through the settings and customize them to your liking, you can close this and you don't have to come back here again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and there you go, that's all it takes. Now, if you went with the manual route, you also will need to tap on it again to turn it off once you're done with it. And if you went with the scheduled mode, then you really don't need to do anything. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.